Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Chrome. It is super easy and let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer. Got it? Awesome. Now head over to the top right corner and click on the three dots. This opens the menu. Next, scroll down and click on Settings. This will open up the settings page. On the left side, scroll down and click on Appearance. Now look for the theme section. You'll see an option that says dark. Just click on dark and boom, your Chrome will instantly switch to dark mode. And that's it. You're all set with dark mode in Chrome. It's easier on the eyes, especially in the low light environments. See how simple that was? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.